Hello everyone and welcome again to my kitchen. If you're new here, I welcome you all. Today, I'm going to show you how I cook my crabs. I just bought some fresh crabs from a farm and I'll be showing you how I cook them. So these are the fresh crabs that I just bought. 3 pieces of large crabs. So for every 3 pieces of crabs that I buy, I usually put in 1 cup of fresh crushed ginger because they add more flavor to the crabs if you put ginger. And put some salt as well. In a big pot, put in the ginger first and salt. And put in the crabs. You can add some water, but just very little. Don't add a lot of water because that way you're boiling them already. So we're going to steam them. Just little water. And then cook them for 20 minutes until it's done. Or until it's done. So while that is cooking, we're going to make our dip. Cut some lemons and squeeze them. And then let's transfer it onto a bowl. And you can put fish sauce or soy sauce. Let's check it and add in more salt. They're changing color already, so that means it's almost done. So these are the fresh crabs that has been cooked already. And I'm transferring it onto a bowl and then it's ready to be served. Thanks everyone for watching and I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel as well. Bon appetit!